The Speedform headlight covers that we have here today will be a great option for the 08 to 14 Challenger owners who might be looking for an affordable means of smoking the headlights on your ride, but one that will be easy to both take off and put on at a moment's notice. Now, these covers do feature that durable polycarbonate build with, of course, that dark smoke tint, all for right around the $60 to $70 price point. Install is going to be a pretty simple peel and stick job here, guys, so figure a soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. No more than a few minutes of your time to get everything in place, as we'll show you later in the video. So I feel like these covers are going to appeal to the Challenger owners out there who love that dark smoked appearance or look, but don't want to commit to a completely different set of headlights, or maybe commit to a more semi-permanent vinyl tinting method. Now, instead, the smoke covers will live somewhere in the middle in regards to delivering that look of a dark vinyl kit, but unlike vinyl, can be easily removed in a pinch if needed, whether leaving a car show or you're just looking to mix up the look altogether. Now, the covers themselves are pretty simple, guys. They do feature a lightweight build, again consisting of a durable polycarbonate material, and again are finished off in that dark smoked appearance here that will really help contribute to a more aggressive look once installed. Now, one thing to keep in mind here, guys, is that something this dark will cut down on your total light output at night. There's really no getting around that, so it is just something to keep in mind here. And again, it is kind of valuable to point out that these are removable, so if you are driving a lot at night, you don't want to have these things on, you can always yank them off easily thanks to the pre-installed 3M Velcro adhesive. Now, before we get into the install here, guys, I do want to strongly encourage you to check out the customer submitted images back on the site to get a better sense of not only the aggressiveness once installed, but also the fitment. I know a lot of people often ask with a cover such as this, how does it gonna fit? Does it look goofy once installed? Well, this is a great time, again, to not only check out the pictures, but read up on some customer reviews to hear some real world feedback from fellow Challenger owners about their experience with these particular covers. But now, as promised, we do want to segue into the install, and again, this one is going to be very straightforward, guys. Peel and stick job, therefore figure a soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, maybe 15 minutes of your time to complete from start to finish, and most of that time will no doubt be spent cleaning the surface, prepping the surface for the install itself. So without further ado, check out our detailed walkthrough now.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing a set of headlight covers on a Challenger, so let's get started. Alright guys, so the first step we got to do is we have to clean the bezel area with our included alcohol wipe. So I'm going to wipe this down and then we can install our headlight cover. So now we can let that dry first, and then we're going to apply our headlight cover. So now we're going to peel the white backing off of our Velcro. All right, so now we can line this up, making sure that this part here is onto the grill. Gonna line that up. You're just gonna press in where the tape is. All right, so now you can repeat that process on the other side and your install is complete. So that's gonna wrap up the install on our Speedform headlight covers in smoked for your 08 to 14 Challenger. Thanks for watching, and for all things Challenger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.